A lot of people initially didn't want to support IPOB or support Nnamdi Kanu. But now, people can see what he is fighting for. So what government needs to do is easy. Reach out to the people. And to make matters worse, the so-called elders and leaders in those embattled areas are not even saying a word. With all due respect to your governors, to your National Assembly members, and your political leaders, your cultural leaders, they are not ready to listen. If they had tried from the beginning to reach out and give some support to this man, maybe things would have been better. But now, I see even the governors carrying on as if the whole Buhari, the whole world. I don't know why. And that is what is getting Nnamdi Kanu and his group angry. That why are we behaving like slaves? Everybody should respect the president of the country, that's fine. But that respect should not turn into something else where you now begin to act like you have no right whatsoever in the country called Nigeria. I can only advise the governors, but I think it's too late, to serve the interests of their people and stop worrying about what the federal government wants them to do. If the federal government is doing things for your people, all well and good. Thank you, sir. And when it's not doing it, speak up. Our people are feeling marginalized, speak up. We have people in the House of Representatives. We have the State House of Assemblies. Please tell me if you have heard anything from any of them to say, oh, President Buhari, we are the representatives of our people. We feel aggrieved that we are being harassed, we are being terrorized, on one side by terrorists, on the other side than the army of occupation. So has anybody made any attempt, any effort to reach out to these people? They are Nigerians like you and I. They make sure that they give a lot to this country. They contribute so much to the economy of this country. So why are we treating them like third-class citizens?